So I'm constantly amazed at how many people, including people in the building and design industry, believe that building code compliant homes create healthy, comfortable, and dry homes. I often get people asking me, is the building code really that bad? So I thought I'd give you a little example and you can make up your own mind. Hi, I'm Sharon. I'm an architectural designer and I help people create healthy and valuable homes. So this is a small smart space design. It's 60 square meters. It's a single story dwelling. The design is quite simple, which means it's fairly efficient already. I compared a code compliant version of this to an entry level of small smart spaces. So you can see what the code delivers and what small smart spaces delivers. So let's talk about power use. Firstly, this code compliant version uses 36 kilowatt hours per square meter per year. That's actually pretty good. Brands has estimated that existing homes in New Zealand can use as much as between 90 and 120. So the code compliant version of this home uses thermally broken aluminium, the minimum spec for glass allowed, and the minimum insulation requirements in the wall, floor, and roof. Now enter small smart spaces. So the power use in this design is 19 kilowatt hours per square meter per year, which means effectively the increase in specification has reduced the power use by easily half. Small Smart Spaces version has UPVC recessed joinery, the same level of glass as a co-compliant home, SIP panels for the walls, floors, and roof, and shading devices to combat summer overheating. It's also equipped with a mechanical heat recovery ventilation unit so we can ensure fresh air and reduce the power bills by recycling the heat in winter. If you want to learn more about small smart spaces and see if it's the right option for you, let's have a chat. The link to arrange that at a time that works for you is in my bio. Our building code really doesn't take into account overheating. So when I looked at how often a code compliant version of this design would overheat, the figure I got back was 1,883 hours of this version that'll go above 25 degrees Celsius. Compare that to the entry level of the small smart space version. Overheating above 25 degrees Celsius is reduced to 613 hours. So how good is a minimum code compliant home? Well, I wouldn't build one, and I don't believe you should either.